What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. This is part 2 of my keto diet I started today. I'm actually on it today. And this morning I only ate turkey bacon and scrambled eggs with cheese in the eggs. There's no carbs in the cheese. There's no carbs in the bacon, turkey bacon I'm using, and there's pretty much no carbs in the eggs. So no carbs all day today, no sugar. For lunch, I just made some scrambled eggs and turkey sausage for lunch. The turkey sausages may have 1% of carbs. Eggs have none. That's my lunch for the day. And for dinner, I'm eating I got a 2-pack ground beef burger that has no carbs, 75% lean, 25% fat. No carbs, no sugar. So I'm cooking both of those tonight. I'll probably eat one for lunch. Eat one for dinner tonight, one for lunch tomorrow. And I'll probably add some cheddar cheese on the burgers, fries, onions, and no bread. Might put some mayonnaise on it or something and eat it just like it is. Or I might even wrap it in lettuce. I want to try like a lettuce wrap. So I'm trying to wrap it in lettuce and see how that tastes. Sounds good though, not bad though. But today is my first day of the keto diet. I said no carbs, maybe 1% carbs today. Tomorrow I'll probably eat bacon, scrambled eggs and bacon for lunch. Not 100% sure yet. Well, I got that burger for lunch and dinner. Might eat some chicken wings tomorrow. But chicken. With no breading on it, just regular fried chicken with seasoning on it, has no carbs. Okay, so I can fry chicken, in butter, or I got an air fryer at home. I can air fry, I can season my chicken, make sure there's no carbs in it, and put it in the air fryer, and there's no carbs. A lot of protein as well, a lot of fat. So, like I said, I might even do that tomorrow night, fry some chicken and call it a day. I might buy some if I feel like it. But yeah, that's about my day for the day. For no carbs, no sugar. I'm really trying to lose the weight quick as I can. So I'm trying to get to the gym tomorrow night. I can't do it today, but the next day and the day after that, I'm gonna start hitting the gym harder, doing more cardio to burn more carbs, to burn more calories, to burn more sugar. So if I'm not replacing those sugar and carbs now, I need to exercise and work out to burn the carbs already stored up. That way, what I believe that it will start the ketone process earlier than natural. So if I just go ahead, go on a treadmill, 30, 40 minutes, hit some weights, work out, get a good sweat, work out, try to burn some of them carbohydrates and sugars. See, I'm not replacing them sugars with anything, then the body's gonna start to react. So the diet is cool so far. I am looking at, as I pick up an item, I'm looking at carb intake. I'm looking at sugars, how much sugar something has, how much carbs something has. I'm cool with something that has 1-2% carbs. Right now I'm trying to go like 1% carbs right now. But the diet is real interesting to go to. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Right now it's going okay so far. I'm a little hungry now, but I'm gonna look up online for some snacks that's good for a keto diet. And once I find some, I'll do another video on snacks to eat while on a keto diet. No carbs, no sugar, none of that bad stuff in it. So stay tuned for that one. But right now, that's my first meal of the day. I'm about to eat lunch. Turkey sausages I cut up, and scrambled eggs and cheese. Dinner, a hamburger, no bread, fried onions, no ketchup, no mustard, just like it is, like that. And I'm cool with that. I can still eat burgers and chicken and still lose weight. So that's incredible. So I'm planning on working out ASAP to burn the stored carbohydrates and sugar I have now in my body. So thanks for watching. I'll do another review. I'll do another video soon. the snacks I find. I can't eat macadamia nuts or not plantains, walnuts, because it bothers my chest really bad. It's really bad heartburn. So I don't eat those types of foods, no nuts or anything. So no almonds. So I have to find something else to snack on. And if you're on a keto diet, you know what to eat to snack on. Put in the comments below so I know what to eat. But in the meantime, between time, I'm gonna look up some things I can eat, maybe beef jerky or something, or just gonna meat that's jerky. That could be a good snack. I'm gonna look at that too. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. And visit my blog. I'm gonna start putting more keto diet stuff on my blog. My blog is it's a personal blog about myself and my family and how to make money online. I'm gonna do some health stuff as well. Anything I'm into, I put on my blog so you can follow me and try to take up key points what I'm doing. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and be safe.